I'm going to demonstrate how I made a lightweight binocular harness. What I like about this design is the easy way it can be adjusted. You'll need some shock cord, a double hole spring toggle, a set of small locking carabiners, of course your binoculars, and for a finished look, some cord ends. So first cut about 8 to 10 feet of cord. The length you'll need will depend on both your girth and the puffiness of the clothes you'll be wearing. I'm 5'6" and 120 pounds, and I found that 8 feet is long enough to fit over my winter coat and can be adjusted down to summer t-shirt size too. If there's any question, start out with too much cord. You can always trim off any extra. Fold the cord in half and put the toggle on the ends and slide it down about a foot and make a knot at the folded end. Pretty small knot, and slip it over the toggle like that. Then you're going to attach the carabiners to the cords. There are 2 loops, so you want to put a carabiner on each loop. And they're pretty cool the way they lock and unlock. Take the other side of the carabiner and slip it into the loop on the binoculars. There we go. And if you wanted to hang something extra, the kit I ordered comes with these little single loop toggles, and if you can find a small enough split ring, you need to put this on before you put the other toggle, and you could hang something, I don't know, a cell phone or whatever. And if you want it to look, if you want to keep the ends from fraying, you could either burn them a little bit with a lighter, or you could get these little clip ends. Oh, you got to put this on first. And these are kind of big for these, so you jam it in there. I'll get it. How many takes? And then you might need, how do we do this? You squeeze it. Get in there. This is gonna work, see? And then test it. Ha! It worked! And then do the other end. Okay, so to put this on, you can put it over your head. You can wear it that way. I like to put an arm through each loop. If you want it really secure while you're walking, you can tuck it into the eyepieces like that. It's easy to hold up and look, and if you want to adjust it, you just grab the toggle and pull it up or down. You can also wear it like this, kind of tuck it under, and it's also, again, it's really easy to pull it up and check out the birds or whatever. And that's how you do it.